Hey everybody, I'm Haley and I'm the lead designer for Neighborhood Ventures, and today we are doing our last renovation update at Venture at 66, and it is a beautiful spring, almost summer day. Behind me, you will see that the sign is officially up, so that means that we're just here. We're almost done. And then up at the top, there used to be like a scallop edging trim that went around basically all three of the fronts of the buildings. All of that is chopped off. It is now just clean, beautiful white lines. And this sign just really pops up here now. But in today's video, I am going to be telling you about the final updates to the exterior. So let's go check it out. So we're up here now at the fourth building. This is right next to the laundry room and old office unit. The laundry room is going to be staying because honestly, that's a great amenity when you're on vacation, and it'll encourage people to stay for longer periods of time because they can wash their clothes. So that's gonna be staying. And then right along here, which is really close to the new name of the building. So just behind it, you're gonna see this feature wall that we're putting in here. What it's going to be is, you can see they're already starting to dig holes for the footers, but they are going to be vertical slat walls that are going all the way across this area here. It's going to act as a fence and as a really nice like focal feature. Again, bringing that modern look in. Going to be the same color as the handrails here, and all of the slats are going to be 1 to 2 inches apart. So it'll just be from the roof line all the way down to the sidewalk, vertical slat wall here. It's going to be beautiful. Beautiful feature, so I'm excited. And then along the whole outsides, we just ordered all of the new string lights. They're going to be lined along the outer posts on every single building. You will be able to see them from the inside and the outside of the sidewalks. And I feel like it's a staple feature at the Ventures properties to have string lights now. So it'll make the buildings pop out a lot easier to see as guests are driving by and they're trying to find their Airbnb, especially at nighttime. So we're very excited for that. But the biggest change that is coming are some exterior amenities that we just got. So we're gonna show you those right now. We're now up here between the 400 and 500 building, and this is over by the storage room area where we do have large connexes where we've been storing all of the stuff during the renovation. Obviously those are gonna go. So we have this big open space here. It's totally paved in. So what we did is we got a massive gazebo. It's 20 feet long, 16 feet wide. And then we got these 2 dining sets. There's 2 tables, 6 chairs each. These are the chairs for them. It's all made of metal, so it's gonna last through all of the weather conditions up here. And then we also did get a propane grill that will go in this area as well. So it'll be kind of an outdoor dining area. Great feature for Airbnb residents. And then the funnest part, just up the stairs behind me, there is a big expanse of dirt. So we are going to be adding in turf there, and we're adding in a bunch of yard games. So it's gonna be so much fun. This is kind of the yard game that I'm talking about. This is Giant Connect 4. We also have cornhole. We do have a hammock that we are gonna be hanging up out there. And then we have a ladder and ball game as well. All of these are from Amazon and they are great products. We're super excited about them. It's gonna be a great amenity. It's gonna look great in the photos for the Airbnb listings. But this does wrap up our final renovation video, and I'm so happy you guys came along for this journey. We'll see you next time. Bye.